Let's prepare roasted zucchini or courgettes. Cut the zucchini into quarters. Core the pieces to create diamond shape. This will make the final product a bit more fancy, like in a restaurant. Gets better with practice. Skip this step if you decide that it's a bit hard for you, but don't quit. Try, and with time it's gonna get better. Season with salt and pepper. Sear in hot pan with some oil. Sear both sides. Take out on a tray and place in the oven at 200 Celsius or 390 Fahrenheit for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once tender, remove from the oven and place in a bowl. Add the chopped parsley, a bit of vinegar, some olive oil, salt and black pepper to taste. Mix well and taste. Now it's the moment to adjust the seasoning, if necessary. Plate and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.